I'm a born biologist. I was always fascinated by the connections between science, hygiene, microbiology, and things that affect us all. And laundry, fabrics, they affect all of us on a daily basis. This mark of quality doesn't just mean your washing will be clean. It also means that its quality stays at the same high level, so that your linen and clothing retain their value. What's important is that we aren't the hygiene police. This quality control also adds to member company success. In the end, everyone benefits from quality control. Whenever you're in a hotel or in hospital, or you have relatives in an old folks' home, wherever you go, the laundry is done professionally, and you can simply rely on it being totally hygienic. The RAL seal of quality for properly washed laundry is unique, as the quality and hygiene are checked all year round, using standards far higher than with comparable certification marks. For the hygiene testing, samples are taken at the laundry, samples from the water, and the clothes and linen, and they have to pass strict lab tests to show that all bacteria have been removed. Thanks to our continuing education programs, we ensure that young workers also gain qualifications in this sector and can go on to be certified as prospective executives. To guarantee that our seal of quality is up to date, we work with experts and with the latest methods, ensuring that we constantly develop and improve.
Immer besser werden.